We're in Wollongong. Daddy John had a quick shoot here, so we made the most of our trip by exploring a few spots. First stop, the Wollongong Botanic Garden. We didn't walk around much, just relaxed, had fun, and enjoyed a nice lunch together. Next, we visited the beautiful Tien temple. We walked around, took some photos, and Hallie had fun experiencing the peaceful Buddha surroundings. Before heading home, we made a quick stop at the Sea Cliff Bridge lookout. The views? Absolutely worth it. That's it for a short but sweet Wollongong trip. Until next time!